Okay, so I wanted to show you guys another problem finding the distance between 2 points with some negatives, just to show you to be very careful, and then we can check it with the Pythagorean theorem and show that it works out the same. So, here's our thing. Find the distance between -6, -2 and 1, -5. So, we're going to go through, and I'm going to label x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. So, this coordinate point is x1, y1, right? And then we've got x2 and y2. So I'm just going to plug them in as I wrote them. It doesn't matter which one you choose to be x1 or x2, they just have to be consistent. So x1 and y1 should be the same coordinate point. So x1 is -6 and x2 is -1. So that should be squared. And then we're going to add y1, which is -2, minus a -5, that's y2, squared, and all of that should be under the square root sign. So, -6 minus 1 is -7 squared. Now, distance can't be negative, so technically we'd want to take the absolute value of this, but the squaring is going to get rid of the negative, so I'm going to skip that unnecessary step. And then we've got 2 minus a -5. Now remember, when we minus a negative, it turns into a positive. So I'm just going to make that little plus sign there. So -2 plus 5 turns into 3. So 3 squared. That should all be under the square root. Okay, then this right here is 49. -7 times -7 plus 9. All under the square root symbol. And so we're saying that the answer is square root of 58, which we'll see. So this is all right. This is d equals. So notice we're saying that the length of the leg is 7 and the length of the other leg is 3. So I've got here, ta-da! Here is our triangle. And so we're saying, okay, this is the x's, the horizontal leg. So we're saying the horizontal leg is at 7. So we're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're saying the vertical leg is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So see how we're using the same process? Here's my 2 legs, but we found it using that distance. So hopefully this helps you. Be careful with the negatives. They can kind of trip you up if you like to use the distance formula.